What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back at another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to cop these Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. As y'all know, they will be releasing this upcoming Saturday, November 2nd, and retailing for $160. I'm gonna give you guys some details and some tips on how to cop and where to cop these Jordan 1 Fearless, man. So if you're new to the channel, right now what I need you to do is subscribe right now. We're on the grind to 20K. We're less than 500 subscribers away, man. It'll mean so much if you do these simple things for me, and it'll help the channel grow as well, man. And the first thing is like the video right now. It helps the channel grow. Comment down below and leave me some of your feedback over these Air Jordan 1 Fearless. Whenever you get the chance, leave a comment down below about these sneakers, and follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below as always. Click the link, follow your boy on IG, and enjoy the rest of this video. So with all that being said, let's jump into it. All right guys, so like I said, Air Jordan 1 Fearless, November 2nd, this Saturday, man, retailing for $160. And if you can get your hands on it for retail, that'd be very, very clutch, man, because I seen these in hand yesterday. I went in and put them for my raffles. That's kind of why I want to put out this video today, speaking about raffles, because usually with Shoe Palace, today is the last day you can enter the raffle for, you know what I'm saying, the sneakers coming out on Saturday. So if you are anywhere around your Shoe Palace, I know DTLR do raffles. Go check out your DTLR, see if they're doing first come or raffle, man, and make sure you are putting yourself in success to go do that raffle, man. I know it was one time that I put in a raffle for River Center down here where I'm at, and I was thinking about not even going at all, and that ended up being the only store that I hit. So it's always best to hit up all the spots you can to do the raffle, and it'll better your chances for winning a sneaker, man. Doubling up, tripling up. As y'all know, with the Foot Locker app and stuff like that, they kind of stopping, or that's kind of my idea of what's going on. They kind of stopping everybody hitting at multiple shoe stores under Foot Locker, like Champs, Foot Action, stuff like that. That's my understanding on what's going on with this Foot Locker app. But you always know with the raffle system, you put your ticket in, you get your wife, your kid, you can have anybody put in a raffle ticket for you, and whoever gets that call, man, you can double up, triple up, however many times they pull your name at the different Shoe Palaces or DTLRs, wherever it's around you. So make sure you go put in the footwork and put in the raffles for these Air Jordan 1 Fearless. Like I said, I seen them in hand, and these things are definitely dope. It's definitely something you want to add into the collection. And the patent leather is super nice. You got that UNC in the back, and you got that Chicago in the front, man. Very, very dope shoe. I like how they executed it, and I like how they threw, I'm gonna throw a picture right here. They kind of put like gold Jumpman in there, or yellowish Jumpman. I really like what they did to it. Kind of reminds me of an Air Jordan 1 mid that dropped a long time ago. All right, so the next tip, of course, is you still have time to put in for your Foot Locker reserved app, your Champs, your Foot Actions. I know some people are still saying in the comment section below the video I dropped the other day, saying you can still hit a multiple shoe stores. And I guess this is gonna come to light this upcoming weekend. So if somebody hit on multiple accounts like Champs or Foot Locker or whatever, then I guess we will know that the whole 7 brands, and you can only win one shoe from those 7 brands. So we're gonna see how that really comes to play, because like I said, people said they've been entering the Champ still, Foot Action, Foot Locker, all the stores under Foot Locker, man. So we're gonna see if they can hit, but make sure you still put in your different sizes wherever you shop at, like Champs, if you shop at Foot Locker, Foot Action, whatever, whoever is getting the shoes, make sure you're doing it. Make sure you're getting that extra 1 minute head start so you can put yourself in front of the line. You know your boy already got that 10-minute head start. Check it out, check it out. Got that 10-minute head start, and all I did was use the Twitter Foot Locker check-in codes, and I didn't have to leave the house. I got that 1 minute head start sitting down in the crib, man. And that's another thing. If you still do not follow check-in codes on Twitter, make sure you go follow them, man. You don't gotta leave the house. You can get that extra 1 minute head start just from sitting here on your couch, man. Whatever you want to do, and they can still put you in front of the line of a lot of people. Like I told y'all the other day, talking about the shattered backboards, how to cop. It's been plenty of times I hit on shoes and I never went to go check in physically. I just changed the zip code, whatever zip code they put on check-in codes, and I go ahead, put it in there, and then I put the 4-digit pin to get that 1 minute head start, and then your boy get 10 minutes. So make sure you go check out your different reservation apps. And what I like to tell everybody on these how to cops. You can always cop on Sneakers app. You know, a lot of people take L's, but I actually just took a W on something, which I don't think they were hyped up. I just think that people was happy they came back after so long. I think it was 10 years since the shoe came out. The LeBron 7 red carpets. I really want that shoe. I know I'm a huge LeBron fan, and back when the shoes came out, I was just looking at them. I never could get them. I just remember seeing those sneakers online, and I really wanted them, and now that I finally got a chance to get them, your boy is definitely happy that I can add them to the collection. So y'all will see that soon in the collection, man. So Sneakers app, of course, StockX, GOAT, Stadium Goods, wherever you like to buy your sneakers at, wherever you like to pay above resale, you can go still check that out, and you can get your pair of shoes with no hassle, man. All right, as y'all know, we also talking about the resale prediction over these shoes. Like I said with the shattered backboards, I think I was right. I think I said around 300 that those are going to drop down to, and as y'all know, they have dropped down to 300, going from like 280 up to 300 as far as like the last sales. These right here are going for like 350 right now, and I can see them sitting at around like 280, just like the shattered backboard 3.0s did. And then of course, like if you wait too long for that shoe, it will hike up in the 500s to 600s. As long as you don't cop, as long as you wait for them, the longer that the price is going to go up. So if you want to go ahead and pay that little $280, $300 that the shoe is going to be sitting around the release date, make sure you go check it out, man. Take an L, go straight to StockX, Stadium Goods, GOAT, whatever you buy your shoes, and you will have the Air Jordan 1 Fearless. All right, that is it for the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Make sure you leave a comment down below talking about these Air Jordan 1 Fearless. We are right around the corner from that 20K, man. Less than 500 subscribers, man. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the love, support. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.